Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Friends. Today in this video I will show you how to change the name of your device. This function is available in oppo mobile phones. You can change your device name. Okay, first of all I will show you that I am using which device. Go to setting and now just click on this about phone. You can see device name is oppo A57. Now I will show you how to change the name of your device. You can see. Okay, let's start. For changing your device name, go to the setting, just again go to about phone. You can see about phone, and now just click on this oppo A57. As soon as you click on this, you will see this type of window. Just click on back button and give the name whatever you want to give, and again click on back button. You can see your device name is changed, and in this way you can change your oppo mobile phone device name. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.